Hello, in this quick video tutorial, I will tell you how to connect Stripe to Jobber. First, you have to make sure that you're logged into your account, and now you have to click this gear icon right here. Just click that and then click settings and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will have to scroll down a bit so that you will see this option right here. Click that option, and now you will have to select your provider. Click Stripe, and then you will see this button right here which says connect with Stripe. Just click that, and after that you will see this Stripe window, and you will have to either sign up to create a new one, or if you already have one. And once you're logged in, Stripe will ask for your permission to link with Jobber. You will have to click allow access or connect, and it depends on what you're seeing on your screen. And after that, you will be redirected back to Jobber, and now Stripe will be connected. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if this video helped.